Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuses to check in case your interior lights are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. By the interior lights, I'm referring to this ceiling dome light and to the back lights on the dashboard and the instrument cluster. The interior light fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now, to remove this cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So what you want to do, just want to pull up onto each of the tabs. That will unlock the cover and then just pull it off. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. You will have a total of two fuses to check. They're both located in the upper left corner. So you'll have this 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to the interior lights, and this blue 15 amp fuse responsible for power to the interior lights and the instrument cluster dimmer switch. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.